grab some gas. Show y'all this exhaust because it's kind of. Alright, we at the store right now. Four? Yeah. Let's get this going. Let's get home. This the street I be racing on right here in Mount Reed. It be going down right there. Paint them all, but this one came off super easy. The other ones I had struggled with, so I said forget it. So let me pop this baby back on. Alright, let's start going there. Let's just go there. I'm just gonna trust it. I got working with. I got the coder intake. I got 1 oil catch can, 2 oil catch cans. And it's the turbo. Kind of doing some stuff to it just to keep it up because it was off, man. I haven't taken it off that a while back, which I should get a new one.